stay lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Raw Hair Extensions. In today's video, a lot of my viewers have questioned me asking how well does raw hair extensions bleach, and I'm here to show off my raw hair extension. This is raw hair extension, and this is 18-inch straight raw hair extension. Raw hair extensions do not come bone straight. It has a slight kink of wave to it, and that is the honest truth. Raw hair do not come bone straight. If you have any raw hair extensions and it's bone straight, viewers, that is not 100% raw virgin hair. Raw hair always comes with a kink of wave, regardless whether it's straight. Usually the virgin hair extensions from AliExpress or Chinese factories usually come bone straight because these hairs have been over processed. And yes, raw hair is very soft. A lot of viewers want to know if raw hair is soft. So in today's video, I will be using True Zone Cream Peroxide. This is 6%, equals 20 volume. Plus my True Light Rapid Bleach Powder. And I'll be adding black seed enriched hair oil, and this is a complete hair care. I just add a bit of oils to my bleach just to make sure the hair does not over process and the hair still has a shine to it instead of having that brassy frizzy ends. So this is what I usually do. So viewers, you can see how well this hair has been bleached to 27 blonde. It's been bleached very well. When it comes to raw hair extension, viewers, you do not need to bleach your hair like twice. I use 20 volume developer. Signal. I'll be using the neutralizing shampoo with the blue color signal. So basically with the neutralizing shampoo, when there is still chemical in the hair, it will basically show you a blue color to let you know that there is still chemical in your hair. But the shampoo is a golden yellow color, and neutralizing shampoo strips hair of its natural oils and makes hair dry, especially when you leave neutralizing shampoo in hair for a very long time. It's mostly used for African American relaxed hair, but I would not recommend you using neutralizing shampoo on your normal hair, whether it's curly, fine, straight, wavy. Do not use it because it will definitely strip off its natural oils. You only need to use neutralizing shampoo when there is chemical in your hair. Bleach is a chemical and I don't want bleach on my customer's head, so because of that I'm making sure all chemicals in this hair are out before I wash it again with moisturizing shampoo. So viewers, another reason why this raw hair is very soft, even though I've bleached it, I don't know if you viewers can see the shine, but it's got a really nice shine to it, is because I use black seed oil, mixed it with my peroxide and my bleach powder. Viewers, this is a trick and I learned this from the company I purchased this hair from. They said with raw hair extensions, try and put oils in your bleaching product. It makes the hair really nice and prevents brittleness and frizziness. This hair is beautiful. So the next step is to use my argan oil shampoo with Moroccan argan oil extract. Nourishes and moisturizes, leaves hair shiny, smooth and healthy. So this is my second shampoo I'll be using, and this is a moisturizing shampoo. I'm very sure we all know what moisturizing shampoos are. Moisturizing shampoos are shampoos that have less harsh chemicals and is filled with mineral natural extracts that naturally helps any sort of hair, whether it's raw human hair extensions, your own hair growing out of your scalp, for the hair to be very nice, healthy and shiny. So we should stay away from harsh chemicals like sulfate-based shampoos and also neutralizing shampoos. Unless you've got chemical in your hair, do not use neutralizing shampoos to remove oils off your and dirt off your normal hair. Try to stick with moisturizing shampoos, because with moisturizing shampoos it gives your hair a lot of moisture, and our hair needs moisture for it to be healthy. Now that this hair has been washed, what I'm going to be doing is to basically condition my hair with silicone mix, and I put a bit of the black seed hair oil in this mixture just to protect the hair, because we all know silicone mix makes hair very soft, but the downside to silicone mix is it's actually not good for hair on long term. It's actually good for hair when it comes to short term, but because I have bleached my hair extensions, I would like to go ahead and apply silicone mix all over my hair extension for my clients, just because I want to treat this hair very well. Usually I end up conditioning this hair last, because conditioner should be the last option when you're using silicone mix. Silicone mix is good, do not get me twisted, but do not leave it in your hair for a very long time, because it can have bad effects, which is over dryness. So if you apply silicone mix basically at the correct time, your hair will be treated and that will be good. But do not leave silicone mix as I used to do in the past. Overnight you will have no results, because too much silicone is bad for the hair. So viewers, I don't know if you can see the steam coming out, but the hair has been basically deep conditioned with silicone and black seed oil, which is a very good hair oil for any sort of hair extensions when it's 100% human hair extensions, and also raw hair extensions. Black seed oil, coconut oil, but I personally prefer black seed oil. So now we will have to wash all the silicone out of this hair. Everything. Make sure you wash your hair very well. Do not leave silicone in your hair as a leave-in conditioner, viewers, that is an absolute no-no. You wash this hair till the water turns clear. So now this is called Cleanse, Replenish, Re-Moisture for all hair types conditioner, professional quality, 900ml, and this is by Tresemme. Tresemme is one of my favorite go-to conditioners, and this is what is going to restore moisture and let the hair have all its vitamins be replenished. So this is going to replenish all the moisture that the hair lost because of the bleach. So now I'll leave this on for about 2 to 3 hours. Have a shower, cook, clean, then come back and show you viewers the end result. So see you viewers in the next 2 to 3 hours. Long story short, I just finished having a shower and I just came on camera to quickly show you. This is how blonde you can get your raw hair extensions with just 20% peroxide bleach. Can you tell there's got a slight kink of wave to it, and this is your straight bundle. Can you see how full and healthy this hair looks? Well, this hair is 100% raw Indian straight hair texture. As I initially stated, it's got a slight kink to it, and this is the end result after conditioning and basically treating the hair. So this hair is ready for my client, and it's a 7 by 7 inch lace closure. Yep, this hair is actually ready for my clients, and I just wanted to show you the achievements. And I know you viewers do want to know what sort of blonde color you will get when you dye raw hair extensions, and as I initially stated, this is just 20% peroxide with white bleach, rapid white bleach powder. You do not need to bleach raw hair twice because this hair is 100% authentic raw hair extensions, and it really takes well to bleach. It's not been mixed with any synthetic or any chemicals to prevent the hair, and it's 100% raw Indian hair. So do not forget to check my description box for 30% coupon code, which is my name @30 if you go to the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique website. And yeah, I'm ready to fix my client's hair now, so I'll see you viewers in my next video. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be happy.